Hi there, today we'll be checking out the Cyberboard, which is a 75% keyboard made by a company called Angry Miao, or AM. The keyboard features a panel comprising of 200 LEDs, where the lighting effects can be customized to your liking via AM's website. The board comes packed in this very sturdy looking briefcase. Very tastefully done, I must say. Opening up the case, you'll find the keyboard itself with the PCB installed in it. There is a separate package that stores a couple of other loose items, such as the additional screws and Allen keys, this black section thingy which sort of helps to remove the LED panel, and a couple of cute cat stickers courtesy of AM. The board is held together with 8 screws at the bottom. Once the screws are unfastened, gently lifting the top will separate both the pieces apart, revealing the PCB, the USB daughter board, as well as the silicone dampener which is attached to the bottom aluminium piece. Before removing the PCB from the board, you will first have to remove 2 ribbons connected to it, one which is meant for the USB daughter board and another meant to power up the LED panel. There is also a separate wire that is connected to the PCB, which I believe is meant for the Bluetooth module. The PCB is held to the top aluminium piece by another 8 screws, which are very similar to the ones used to hold the 2 sections of the board together. This board comes stock with an alu plate and a plate silicone dampener, which is very similar to the mute mount used by RamaWorks on some of their boards, such as the U80. For the purpose of this build, I have decided to go with my current favorite linear switches, which is the banana split switch by C3. For stabs, I have also chose to go with the C3 banana split stabs for uniformity. Overall, I am very pleased with the board, given that I've always been a fan of the 75% layout. So there you have it. If you're a fan of the aesthetics or even the novelty of the LED panels, the company is looking to launch a polycarbonate version of the board sometime soon. So be sure to follow them on their Discord channel or their website for more info. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Have a great year-end break and happy holidays.